Good day everyone, I am teacher Lani and today we will talk about human internal organs. Before we start with our formal lesson, here are the few reminders during our online session. For your attendance, kindly chat present in our chat box. You can turn on or turn off your camera during our discussion. Make sure that your microphone is in mute setting when you are not asked to speak. Listen carefully to your teacher and use our chat box when you want to clarify a particular concept. You can unmute your microphone or chat in your chat box once you are called to answer a particular question. At the end of this session, you should be able to describe the main functions of the major organs, identify the human internal organs, and communicate that the major organs work together to function properly in our body. To start our discovery about human internal organs, I will play a music video entitled Organ System Song. After you have watched a music video, I will ask students to cite some internal organs that was mentioned in the music video. But you don't have to worry about who will answer first because we will decide to be fair in choosing on whom will answer first. Are you ready? Now that you are ready, allow me to share to you and play to you the music video about organ system song.
You've got skin, you can feel with, you've got bones, you are filled with, you've got muscles, you get strong with, you can digest the food you eat, you've got lungs that you can breathe with, you've got a heart, it goes beep, 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 you've got veins to hold all your blood, you've got a brain that will
I hope that you understand the music video. Now, let's spin the wheel. May is the one who will answer first. May, can you please cite one or two internal organs that was mentioned in the music video? Very good, May. Yes, our heart and our lungs are one of internal organs in our body. And you are correct that our heart pumps blood and also our lungs helps us to breathe. Now, let's choose another one. John, can you please cite internal organs that was mentioned in the music video? Very good, John. Thank you so much. Yes, our stomach and our intestine are one of internal organs in our body. and it also helps us to digest our food in our body. There are also other internal organs that was mentioned in the music video, like our bones, our muscles, and our brain. Now, let us discuss further the topic about human internal organs. Let's talk about bones. Our bones are connected with each other. The point where two bones meet and connect is called joint. Our joints and muscles allow our bones to move. Then our muscles gives shapes and forms to our body, and also it protects delicate organs. Our muscles can also be voluntary or involuntary. Now, let's talk about stomach. Food is broken down into smaller particles in our stomach. The stomach is a large organ that is lined with layers of muscles. As the muscles contract and relax, food in the stomach is squeezed, twisted, and churned. Food stays in the stomach for 4 hours until the food turns into a thick liquid. The food that has been moistened, chewed in the mouth, and mixed with chemicals or enzymes in the stomach goes into your small intestine. What is small intestine? Our small intestine is about 2.5 cm wide and 7 meter long, called tube, where our food is digested. The walls of our small intestines are made up of muscles to squeeze food. It contains digestive juices and other enzymes and helps break the food into nutrients. The nutrients are then absorbed in our small intestine, then go into our bloodstream. The blood carries these nutrients to the different parts of our body. Next are kidneys. Kidneys are two bean-shaped paired organs which are about 4 to 5 inches long and 2 to 3 inches wide. The right kidney is slightly lower due to the presence of liver in the right region of the urethra. Kidneys remove urea through the blood. It is also the major organ of the urinary system. It performs two major functions. They remove liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine and keep a stable balance of salts and other substances in the blood. And also, it produces hormones in our blood cells. Major metabolic wastes produced in our body are also filtered by our kidneys. The other internal organ is liver. Liver processes the contents of the blood to ensure that its composition remains the same. Moreover, it involves breaking down fats, filtering harmful substances, producing urea, and maintaining a proper level of glucose in our blood. We also have heart. Our heart is about the size of the fist and located in the middle of the chest cavity. The beating of the heart is due to the contractions of your heart muscles. The cardiac muscles contract involuntarily. The word cardiac refers to the heart. It continues to pump blood as long as the person breathes. The contractions continues, allowing the heart to receive oxygen from the lungs. Lungs filter the oxygen that enters our body because it contains a filtering structure to ensure that our hearts receive a clean oxygen. The carbon dioxide as a waste material in our body is removed through our lungs. Remember that our heart and our lungs support each other to allow distribution of oxygen and nutrients and removal of carbon dioxide as a waste product in our body. Last major internal organ is our brain. Our brain is a highly complex organ. It is found in the head and it is protected by the skull. Also, it is protected by soft tissues called meninges and a cushion of fluid. Our brain weighs about 1.5 kg and contains billions of neurons. main function of the brain is to process information it receives and sends instructions to the different parts of the body. It controls the voluntary activities of the body like thinking, solving problems, memorizing details, and decision making. It also controls the muscle movement of our body like walking and writing. It coordinates muscular actions, and it is responsible for man's ability to learn habits and develop skills. Remember that our brain helps to maintain our sense of balance. Our brain also controls the involuntary muscles of our body and coordinates functions like beating of the heart and breathing. These are all major internal organs of our body. Do you have any questions? Alright, none so far. Now, you will create a mind map about human internal organs and its functions. Here is a sample format of mind map. As you can see here, there is a central idea, which is the human internal organ, and around it is the organs and also its functions. You will submit your mind map on our Google Classroom on or before May 19, 2021, and also a rubric is attached in the Google Classroom. So you don't have to write long sentences to the functions because the purpose of the mind map is for you to remember the functions and the internal organs easily. Understood? Alright. If you don't have any questions, that's all for today. Thank you.